In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export content briefs based on keyword research in just a few simple steps. If you're tired of complicated guides that waste your time and just want to get straight to the point, stick with me till the end. You'll be able to streamline your content creation process, saving you hours of work. First, the goal is to get your keyword research into a content brief that's actionable. Start with the tool you're using for keyword research. This could be any popular SEO tool, Ahrefs, SEMrush, Moz, or even some free alternatives. Once you have your list of keywords, make sure you're organizing them based on intent and relevance to your target audience. This is the key to crafting a focused, high-value content brief. From there, select the keyword you want to target. This is where it gets easy. Most tools will have an option to export keyword data, but here's the trick. You don't just want the keyword, you want the entire context. So download everything: search volume, competition, and related keyword suggestions. This will be essential for building out your content strategy. Now, take your keyword and related data and import it into a content brief tool. If you don't have a dedicated content brief software, you can use Google Docs or a Notion template. Just keep it organized. You'll want to add in things like title ideas, headings, potential questions your audience may ask, and other relevant keywords that you can include in the body of your content. This is your roadmap. Next, focus on content structure. Tools like ClearScope or Surfer SEO can generate content briefs automatically based on your keyword data. But if you're doing it manually, make sure to include an introduction, body sections, and a conclusion that incorporates keywords naturally. For example, break down the keyword into topic clusters so you're covering all angles. Once the content brief is ready, it's time to export. Most content brief tools will let you export in formats like Google Docs, Word, or CSV. Exporting in these formats allows you to share with team members or plug it into your content management system for easy access. The most important part here is ensuring your content brief is accessible and editable across different platforms. I've tested all the most popular software for generating content briefs based on keyword research, and I found the best one for the job. I've partnered with this tool to offer you an exclusive free trial so you can follow along with this guide. The link is in the description below. Don't miss it. Key takeaway: when exporting content briefs based on keyword research, always remember to focus on user intent, use all relevant keyword data, and structure the brief with clear, actionable steps. And don't forget, the right tools can make all the difference. Take advantage of that free trial to speed up your process. To quickly recap: first, organize your keywords based on intent. Then, use a content brief tool or template to create your brief, ensuring it's well structured and incorporates all your keyword data. Finally, export your content brief in an accessible format. Again, grab your exclusive free trial link in the description and start creating content that works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.